language and culture should be together. I think you should always use culture to communicate language. And I'm going to talk more about my culture. It's a very oral culture, Black American culture, not just American, but Black African American culture in America. We use oral language a lot, and I'll tell you about the history of that. And last, I'm going to talk about the method. So my class would know this, of improving your oral English. Yeah, I have a proven method to help your oral English improve tremendously. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first topic is about a language and culture. We talked about that. Remember? We talked last week. And I believe that you must always remember one thing about speaking a language, like the English language. That when you learn more about why people's behavior is different from yours, and you're learning their language, then you can understand how to communicate better. But communication is part of culture too. You need to be able to use your language to have that communication, right? Okay. So when you're communicating in Chinese, you understand the culture, so you can use a lot of different ways to use your language, from a slang way or more formal way, or even respect. Because you speak Chinese to your parents, different from your friends, right? Yeah. So you have certain words you use to call people uncle, maybe. Yeah, a lot of people call me uncle, shushu. Wow, I'm shushu? I don't know you. How can I just be your shushu? So I get to be everybody's uncle, right? Yeah. Right? That's Chinese culture, right? Yeah. Of course. So that is also part of using your language, because you use your language to identify people, the elderly, the young people, and you use a different way to talk. So that is part of culture. That's why I still believe that we should continue to learn more about each other's culture, to understand not only the language better, but why people have different behaviors. Wow. And I have ice water all the time. She knows. I have ice water in the summer, winter, fall, every time. I mean, I don't never drink hot water unless I'm having coffee. Yeah? But that's just culture. And that means that I have a different eating, drinking, and also a different behavior from everyone else in this country. Now, that's not meaning good or bad. It just means different, right? And different means that we need to understand that. What makes us different? This is why I wanted to study culture here in China. In order for me to understand